Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be trading the pairs that are listed here, just the way I trade it. First thing you want to do is obviously set up a little chart on here. You can use Trading Viewer if you like. Use that. Go to Indicators, type in Sessions. On Chart, you're going to use AU Rocks AIF. You're going to click that, it'll pop up on here. Go to Settings, uncheck London, uncheck New York, uncheck Sydney session. Make sure you go to Tokyo session, put 20 and 2. Click OK. It'll show this. Now what you want to do is set up your, when you wake up in the morning, you want to set the highs of that pair and the low of that pair in that session. As you can see here, so we got the high in green, the low in red. Anything, if it crosses the red, you will short. You will not go long. If it crosses the green, you'll take a long position, not go short. So it'll look like this. It'll cross. When we see it cross, boom, it crosses, and then we'll take a position, say up here. It should draw back a little bit. It probably would have took it actually. So it would have took the position on here and shoot down for some quick profit. So the high and low, let's go to AUD JPY again. Yellow box, set the high and the low. If it goes below it, we'll take the short. I like to go halfway up, and again another win. CHF JPY. So this one was a long because it crossed the green. And halfway. Again, across the green, you're only doing longs, reds, shorts. GPP, JPY. I'm going to short on here. Another win. You can do 20 pip, 30 pip, 40 pip. This one here is a 99 pip win. Euro JPY. Again, it crossed the red on here. Okay. And down for a profit. You wouldn't take a long position, that's silly because it crossed the red. Again, high is the green, low is the red, crosses the red, short. Green, you go long. USD JPY, here it is again. I'm going to set this up here for a short. It never crossed the green, so there's no long position. Red, lowest, green, highest. Crosses the green, go long, cross the red, you short. Same thing on here. Crosses the red, oops. Cross the red line, you short. Cross the green, you go long. You don't go, just cross the red, you don't go long. Only short. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For June 16th, these are all winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for over, these are hundreds of pips to win in one day, just using the strategy I use. So if you think this is a strategy you can use, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll do some live streams in the morning for some trades. Solely up to you guys. Any questions? I'm only trading JPY. These videos will only be on this strategy for JPY. yeah, support my channel. I just started it. Thumbs up, like it, subscribe, comment, and yeah, good luck, and hopefully this helps you guys out.